So the first archetypal posture in oscillation that I like to perform is the Seiza. It's a Japanese posture of rest. So first we're going to just sit on our feet. Our heels are going to cradle the butt from the outside, and we just don't try to be fancy in it, just soften your sternum, just kind of hang into the position. While we're there, we then add an oscillation to it. So based on that sort of seaweed in spiral translation. So you're just going to push off of this knee, it's going to turn you and you fall into this knee, you push off and you turn and fall. So we just have these easy sort of figure eights going. You might notice that you start to have some emotions come up and through. My go-to is often fear. So I'll kind of scrub. I usually feel that around my heart center, my heart chakra, my sternum, maybe my throat center. And just kind of breathing into that, in through the nose, out through the mouth, collapsing the face, collapsing the sternum, really yielding to this base as I oscillate. If this is a little difficult to perform because this can be a little extreme, you can put towels under the ankles, you can put towels behind the knee. You can also drop your weight forward so that you're in the balls of the hands. I try not to drop my weight into my heels of my palms, as you'll notice with the previous videos. I just try to lift forward into that ball of the hand so that I have this strength in the wrist. I'm not compromising that. In a lot of hypermobile folks, if you kind of just bear weight into the heels of your palms endlessly, you can get ganglion cysts from that. So it really is about rolling forward into that ball of the hand. That helps to kind of passively scaffold the whole shoulder girdle and really involve the whole structure, all the myofascial meridians together. So I oscillate in this position. Softening my chest, softening my face, inhaling, and exhaling, kind of letting the water drain out. Eventually you'll work up to this seated upright position. And that is our Seiza, our archetypal posture in oscillation.